A small balcony can be a wonderful addition to your home if you don't know how to make the most of it. By following the tips and ideas from this newly uploaded video, you can transform your balcony into a cozy and functional space that you can enjoy all year round. Whether you want to relax, work, dine, or entertain, your balcony can be your favorite spot to do it. So go ahead and make the most of your small balcony and enjoy the benefits of outdoor living. Hi, I'm Lulu, your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and the newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. Before starting my presentation, I warmly recommend you read the article on our website. You will find the link in the video description. So if you are ready, let's get started. Watch this video. Here you will find more than 30 creative decorating ideas for small balcony. Let's start with this balcony. It has two lateral walls made of exposed bricks. The floor is covered with ceramic tiles. There are two lightweight metal chairs and tiny coffee tables. The balcony is decorated with many potted plants. Super balcony decor in warm earthy colors with metal railing, beautifully furnished and decorated. Small balcony with metal frame and glass railing, which gives the possibility of an unobstructed view, stylish and comfortable outdoor furniture. Here you can see a small and semi-enclosed corner balcony with wooden flooring, gorgeous and comfortable sitting area, decorated with decorative pillows, throws, candles, and lanterns. Modern living room with a large glass door that leads to a narrow and cute balcony stylishly furnished and decorated. This tiny outdoor oasis allows the homeowners to take a breath of fresh air and enjoy a magnificent view at the same time. Long and narrow enclosed balcony, simply but comfortably furnished and beautifully decorated. Please continue to watch our video. You will find other amazing design ideas for a small balcony, which will help you to turn your own outdoor space into a beautiful oasis. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards, and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.